It's a beautiful Saturday afternoon. Out here tinkering around with stuff. I got the hood of the truck up. Probably zoomed in, yeah. So I changed the front end. Can you see it? Give you a hint. Walk over here and grab one of these. There's the original. What I got on there? These are Nissan accent lights for the grill, obviously. Plug and play. I don't have everything all wrapped up. I can't quite tell if the color's different. I'm not going to worry too much about it. When you stand back, it looks black. When you're right up on top of it, that looks to be really dark gray, and that looks black. But then the light changes, and like over here, it looks black. So I'm not going to worry about it. From back here, it looks just fine. Flip the switch. Headlights are on. Oh yeah. We are illuminated. I'll have to come out later tonight or do a separate video at night. Oh yeah. Pretty easy install. Getting some of the bits apart was a little rough, but I did wind up breaking one of the original trim pieces. This one here, I lost the tab off of it. Oh well, they're not going back on anyway. I like that. Cleans it up. Nice factory finish. Slightly recessed. Looking good. Yeah, I had to take this top piece off. Kind of a pain because there's some clips in the back here. Same with removing the original fillers. There are kind of some clips on the bottom that were a pain to get to, but yeah, get you a little pick set and get you a little screwdriver set. And then on the driver's side, the pigtail just plugs right into the factory headlight harness. Kind of hard to see, but that's the pigtail end right there, but that's the headlight end. So it's yeah, this can be a dealer installed option, or do it like me and pick it up separately. But and then just plug in on the back. Had to drill a hole into the grill. Just used a step drill. Went up about 3/4 of an inch. And from there, I'm going to figure out how I'm going to secure the wiring. But I'm not going to show you all that because I got another thing to install under here. So we're not going to be probably securing the wiring till the other part is in. I may secure all the wiring at once. But yeah, kind of fun. Taking my little base trim level King Cab Frontier and almost turning it into a Pro 4X. All in good fun. So, nice little truck. I'm enjoying it. And it's Squatch rated. Oh yeah. Needs a bath though. We'll do that here in a little bit when it cools off. So, alrighty. Just a quick one. Quick update. We'll get you some more later. Bye-bye.